Hi, I'm Dr. Luna. Every day I share practical and science-backed ways to help men regain their vitality, strength, and self-confidence. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Stoic Pro so you never miss the insights that can truly change how you feel and perform. Let's dive in. If you're a man over 50, you've probably started noticing that things don't feel quite the same as they used to. You wake up feeling a little less charged, your workouts feel heavier, and your overall drive, both physical and mental, just isn't as strong as before. That's not in your head. These are often the first signals of a natural slowdown happening inside your body, a drop in testosterone. Now, testosterone isn't just about muscle or desire. It's the engine that fuels your energy, sharpens your mind, supports motivation, and strengthens your confidence. It helps your body burn fat efficiently, keeps your heart active, and powers your sense of vitality every single day. But here's what most men don't realize. Your testosterone level doesn't just depend on age, it's affected daily by what you eat. And yes, that includes fruit. For years, we've been told that fruit equals health. It's colorful, natural, and full of vitamins. And while that's partly true, there's another side most people never talk about. Not every fruit supports a man's hormones. Some can actually lower testosterone by spiking your blood sugar or increasing inflammation. Others, however, can naturally boost your body's ability to produce testosterone and help you feel strong again. So, in this video, I'm going to show you which fruits you should limit and which ones you should eat more often if you want to increase your energy, improve your performance, and reclaim that youthful drive you once had. Stay with me till the end, because these small, simple changes can have a powerful impact on how your body produces and maintains healthy testosterone levels. No pills, no tricks. Just solid science and consistency. Let's begin with the fruits you need to be careful with. These are the ones that seem perfectly healthy, but can quietly drag your testosterone levels down. First up, the banana. It's the go-to healthy snack. Easy to carry, rich in potassium, quick to eat. But for men over 50, especially those carrying some extra fat or dealing with low energy, bananas can become a hidden hormonal challenge. A single large banana can hold nearly 30 grams of sugar. That sugar rush causes your insulin to shoot up fast. And when insulin stays high too often, your body slowly builds resistance to it. One of the key triggers that block testosterone production, according to several metabolic studies. Now, this doesn't mean you should never touch a banana again. It means you have to eat it wisely. Go for a smaller, slightly green banana. It has more resistant starch and less sugar. And don't eat it alone. Combine it with a handful of nuts or a spoon of almond butter. That healthy fat slows digestion, steadies your blood sugar, and keeps your hormones balanced. Second, dried fruits, like raisins, dates, figs, and apricots. The issue here isn't the fruit itself, it's the concentration. When the water is removed, all that sugar becomes densely packed. Just a small handful of dates can give you the same sugar hit as a can of soda. And since they're soft and sweet, it's easy to eat too many, pushing 40 or 50 grams of sugar before you even realize it. That much sugar spikes insulin, fuels inflammation, and throws your hormonal system off track. If you're craving something sweet, fresh fruit is always the better choice. Your body processes it more slowly because of the natural water and fiber, keeping your hormones in a healthier range. Third, soy-based snacks. Technically, soybeans aren't fruit, but they often sneak into men's diets through healthy snacks like soy protein bars, edamame, and soy shakes. The concern lies in compounds called isoflavones, plant-based chemicals that act like estrogen in the body. In small amounts, they might not cause problems, but for men who already have lower testosterone, heavy soy intake can tilt hormones in the wrong direction. If you do eat soy, stick to fermented versions like tempeh or miso. Fermentation changes those compounds, making them much less likely to interfere with testosterone balance. Fourth, grapes, especially grape juice. Grapes themselves are full of antioxidants, but they're also high in natural sugar, called fructose. And the problem gets worse in liquid form. A single glass of grape juice is basically pure sugar, without the fiber your body needs to slow absorption. That causes a fast insulin rise, which can lower testosterone and promote fat storage, particularly around your midsection. And belly fat is dangerous for another reason. It produces an enzyme called aromatase, which actually converts testosterone into estrogen. That's the last thing you want if you're trying to rebuild energy, confidence, and drive. Now for the good part, the fruits that work with your hormones, not against them. These fruits help calm inflammation, support blood flow, and create the ideal environment for your body to naturally produce more testosterone. The first on that list, the pomegranate. For centuries, pomegranates have been seen as symbols of strength and fertility, and today's research proves why. Studies show that regular pomegranate intake can raise testosterone levels and enhance circulation. Its antioxidants shield your cells from damage and lower cortisol, the stress hormone that directly competes with testosterone. When your cortisol is high, your testosterone naturally sinks. But when you bring cortisol under control, testosterone finally has the space to rise. Just a few ounces of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice a few times per week can create a noticeable shift in how your body feels and performs. Next up, citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. They're loaded with vitamin C, a nutrient that helps calm cortisol and protects the nitric oxide pathways that support healthy blood circulation. And stronger circulation means more oxygen reaching your muscles, better performance, and sharper daily energy. This isn't just about heart health, it's about your whole vitality system. For the best effect, eat the whole fruit instead of drinking the juice. The natural fiber slows sugar absorption and keeps your hormones balanced throughout the day. Now, let's talk about one of the most underrated hormone-boosting fruits, the avocado. Yes, it's technically a fruit, and it's packed with the exact nutrients your body needs to make testosterone efficiently. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, magnesium, and B vitamins. Those good fats act as the building blocks for hormone production, while magnesium helps free up more testosterone in your bloodstream by lowering the effects of SHBG, the protein that binds and traps testosterone. And it's that free testosterone that really counts, the kind that builds lean muscle, powers motivation, and strengthens your natural drive. Just a quarter to half an avocado a day can noticeably improve your mood and energy levels. And finally, let's not forget the berries: blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These small fruits pack an incredible hormonal advantage. They're filled with antioxidants and flavonoids like quercetin and anthocyanins, which fight off chronic inflammation, one of the silent enemies of testosterone production. When inflammation goes down, your Leydig cells in the testes can function properly again, helping your body make testosterone at a healthy rate. Berries also have a low glycemic impact, meaning they won't spike your insulin or throw off your progress. A simple handful of fresh berries every day can make a real difference in how your hormones perform. Gentlemen, remember, this journey isn't about perfection, it's about consistent progress. Everything you eat is either working for your hormones or against them. Each meal gives you a chance to rebuild strength, recover energy, and reclaim control of your body. Swapping out high-sugar fruits for nutrient-dense, testosterone-friendly ones is one of the easiest yet most powerful steps you can take. So the next time you reach for a banana or pour yourself a glass of juice, pause for a second and ask, is this helping my hormones or hurting them? Small, smart choices repeated daily become massive results over time. More stamina, sharper focus, stronger performance, and renewed confidence. I'm Dr. Luna, and my mission is to help men over 50 regain control of their health naturally. No shortcuts, no gimmicks, just proven, science-based methods that work. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Every week, I'll share new insights to help you rebuild your energy, restore your hormones, and feel like yourself again. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and remember, real health doesn't come from one perfect choice, but from the small decisions you repeat every single day.